Hey, what's up, traders? It ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's METX. Oh, hold on, I forgot. Y'all didn't do it. My fault. I forgot to, you feel me? Hey, man, if you're new to the channel, just sit back and just, you feel me? Just you gonna be able to. Okay, what the fuck? But yeah, just sit back and just hey, bro, just watch this. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, I'm tripping. Already tripping. But yeah, man, it's MET. Come on, all the OGs know. XRO. So yeah, man, this video is a little bit different. I'm gonna be recording off my glasses for this. And like I said, I posted on Instagram. If y'all ain't follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all go follow me, METXRO. And I did like a poll just telling y'all like, hey, it's like 5 degrees outside. I really don't feel like driving around and just, you know, doing a car talk or car topic or whatever you want to call it. In 5-degree weather, just to be just driving around when I could be at home, you know, just chilling. And, you know, I just didn't want to just be sitting down, you know, just like on some, you know, I guess not boring shit, because when, you know, you learn information and shit, you know, it's kind of boring. I ain't gonna cap. I was like, so, hey, do y'all want me to, play, you know what I'm saying, like, driving game? I just drive around the city, you know, like, what was it, Need for Speed, or just play Call of Duty Zombies? And y'all was like, hey, y'all was fucking with zombies on the post. I was like, alright, dang, we'll do Need for Speed next time. So, yeah, that's the background of this. It's just gonna be chilling. Not really gonna be focusing too much on the game at all. I'm not gonna lie. Just gonna be killing, upgrading weapons, and that's it. I'm just gonna try to, you know, get my topic off, and, you know, hey, call it a night, because it's 2:30 in the morning right now. So, you know, we grinding. So yeah, man. First things first, bro. This is a video on how, you know, just me trying to give you advice on how to pass a funded. Like I said, this what, like, you know what I'm saying, hey, this is just my personal personal preference on things that I did to pass my funded. And what the hell, you know, just certain things that I feel like, you know, that are really key, or certain things that could really help you out in passing your funded challenge. You know, just passing your funded challenge, you know, passing the first couple stages, you know, shit like that. So hey, man, let's get to it. I'm not trying to just keep talking for too long. And hey, so first thing first, man. Hey, if I miss some points, I'm saying, hey, don't get mad at me. I can always make a part 2. So first things first, you don't want to be tweaked. Well, master your strategy. Obviously, that's mastering your strategy. And you don't want to be tweaking things mid challenge, and, you know, just trying to test stuff or trying to change the way you do things during your challenge, because it'll just fuck things up. Like, if you didn't practice like that or trade like that before your challenge, it could definitely alter your way, and, you know, even mess up the way you're trading, mess up your consistency, mess up your flow during the challenge. Look at these motherfucking spiders. Fuck. But yeah, yeah, like, just don't, like, if you didn't trade, you know, that way. Oh damn, I'm out of ammo on this bitch. Fuck. But yeah, if you didn't trade that way before your challenge, don't try to, you know, switch some shit up. You know, I mean, like, yeah, I know sometimes it could get tempting, but like, oh, I want to try this new confluence. But honestly, bro, it's just better to just try it on a demo account, then come back to the challenge account. Let's be honest. Another thing is, you gotta know the pros and the cons of your strat. You have to. Knowing what your strategy, just know the ins and outs, the good things about your strategy, the time frames that your strategy is based on, the time, like the time frame, New York, like, knowing if you have a good strategy that works for New York session, London session, Asian session, you know, all that type of stuff. Know the pros and cons. Know what you should be doing with your strategy. Know which time you should be trading, what time you shouldn't be trading, what time frame, you know, your strategy works best on. Just know the pros and cons. And yeah, like, I'm telling you, bro, like, you really got to study your strategy, learn your strategy, because your strategy, it should reflect you. You know, every part of your strategy should align with you, how you are. You know what I'm saying? If you are a patient person and you don't mind, you know what I'm saying, you don't mind waiting on things for a good while, you most likely going to be a swing trader. So if scalping feel good to you, and, you know what I'm saying, you kind of, I'm not going to say you want things quick, but you don't want to be just waiting around all day. You like things, you know what I'm saying, not in the instant, but, you know, 10ly quicker. Then, you know what I'm saying, keep scalping. But All right, enough of that. Another thing is knowing your best confluences and your best setups. And that just comes with the experience trading your setup for months, years, through like markets, quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, around news events, knowing, times, just all the confluences you may have. Learn those confluences, study those trades, and, just review trades and be like, okay, this trade hit, TP really good. This hit, for a certain RR. Like let's, for example, supply and demand with a 15-minute gap, just stuff like that. Learn like the best setups, you know what I'm saying? Because those will be like setups that you cannot, well, I'm not gonna say you cannot, but you don't want to miss while trading the funded challenge, because those setups right there are the setups that are just like, oh, it's just an easy no-brainer setup, and those really help during challenges. When I'm saying all that, like I said, I'm just going through the gist of things. I don't want the video to be like 30 minutes, but I just want to make sure, I'm saying, I'm at least getting y'all right, and I'm saying, giving y'all the right information. Another thing is, next thing is making sure your psychology is on point. If your psychology is not on point, it's going to be very, very hard / impossible to trade and pass a prop firm account. I'm not going to lie to you, not even going to sit up here and try to sugarcoat shit. It will be hard. So, one, understand it's not a race. Just don't try to hurry up and pass it just because, such and such pass it in 3-4 days. Don't worry about nobody else. Go at your own pace. Just don't try to go too fast. Don't try to, just go at your own pace. Whatever feels comfortable to you is comfortable to you, because it's, like I said, it's, what I'm saying, it's your pace, it's your challenge. Another thing is, understand you don't have to trade every day, and every day is not a trading day. That is so important, because I feel like, I know my past experiences, I tried, before I was like able to pass challenges and get payouts and stuff, I really wanted to trade every day just so I could hurry up and pass a challenge account, when that's not the case at all. Honestly, if you try to trade every single day, 9 times out of 10, without, giving yourself the benefit of the doubt, hey, this might not be a good trading day, let me just chill, relax, wait till the next day, you will either taking a setup that you never should have taken, or getting in bad consolidation, or just messing with a market that's not giving good price action, and you don't want that. That can set you back on your challenge, and just either, it's just not good for the challenge. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. Just, know the days that you need to trade, know what a good day looks like, know what a bad day looks like, and, decide, hey, this is a good day to trade, this isn't a good day to trade. Just because you get in drawdown doesn't mean the challenge is over or your confidence should go down. For example, I was $200 away from losing my prop firm account, and I turned it around. Just like this account I'm getting payouts on right now, this is the same account that I'm getting payouts on, and I was down $200 on. And in that whole moment, yeah, I kind of was like, damn, it's almost time to buy a new account. I should just risk it for the biscuit, you know what I'm saying? Just, damn, risk it for the biscuit, what the fuck? But I did just want to YOLO it and just be like, all right, I'm gonna just full port this shit and just try to get this shit over with. Now, that's not really the right thing to do, because look, I promise you, bro, it's like after that situation, I promise you, there's no, like, you can come back from anything. I'm telling you, you can come back from being down, 1,000. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Just look, bro, I'm telling you, just take it day by day. Don't lose faith, and just look, just take it day by day. You know what I'm saying? Just because you start off in drawdown, your first trading account is on drawdown, don't be like, oh, I can't do it, or I just need to buy a new account, I need to just start over. When, hey, bro, look, all you need is just one trade. All you need is just one win to catch that momentum and go on the streak. That's what happened to me. At first, I started off really, really bad. I got myself out the hole, and then I got myself back in the hole. And then, hey, man, I went on a good streak. You guys, and knowing yourself as a trader, just know yourself as a trader. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, just know your strategy. You have a good strategy, good risk management, and all the other things that align in order to be able to pass a challenge. Hey, bro, you have nothing to worry about. Another thing is, let me see, hold on. Don't let the profits get to your head. Trying to hurry and pass challenge over risking to make more money or hit a percent gain, talking about getting payouts / profits you haven't gotten yet. So don't, like, honestly, I know it's gonna be hard, but you have to try not to think about the money, because us humans, we do anything about money, we usually tend to get hype about or get anxious about, get eager about, and that can affect our trading plan, our trading actions, our mentality, you know, just all that type of stuff. And it's not good to just focus on only the profits, because it can just put you in positions that you don't need to be in, and excuse me, fuck, and that you don't want to be in, that you don't need to be in, and that you want to be in. So just try to keep it cool, try not to be too happy, just take it day by day and just relax. You know what I'm saying? The profits, if you're doing everything you're supposed to, I promise you the profits will come. So all you got to do is just relax, take it easy, take it day by day, remain level-headed, and bro, everything else will come along with it. Another thing is, understand that once you pass the first, I'm trying not to die here, but honestly, I might just have to keep saying fuck it. Understand that once you pass the first phase or the second phase or even getting funded, the job is not finished. Think long term. A lot of people don't really talk about this. I feel like they just say, oh, once you get the payout, the job's complete. And that is far from true, because honestly, once you get that first payout, it's just a start of it's another test. Can you maintain that account? Can you maintain your emotions while, you know, getting paid out? Can you maintain the discipline? You know what I'm saying? All that type of stuff. Because getting a payout is good, okay? You know what I'm saying? It's great. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You could have gotten a payout just by simply just getting lucky. Over risking a lot, over leveraging, and just boom, passing the account. But if you can maintain that account, now you can, you know what I'm saying, hey, okay, I'm actually doing this shit. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking for pack a punch. I generally don't know where the fuck this shit's at, and it's kind of low-key blowing me. But yeah, man, just don't get too happy, bro. Just do it for long term, and man, just enjoy the journey. Just enjoy the journey, but don't get too happy at the journey that it starts. What the fuck? That it starts, you know, affecting your mindset, because mindset is huge. It's so key. Another thing, you don't need to pass it in one trade. It's okay if it takes you days, even weeks. It's your account, your strategy. So like I said, don't try to just pass it in a day. Don't try to pass it in days. Don't try to pass it in weeks. But at the same time, you know what I'm saying, don't try to pass it too slow. Like, don't try to take it too slow and risk too less, to the point where you take like 10 trades and you only up by like 3%. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, just pass it at your own rate. You know yourself as a trader. You know how much you should be risking. You know how long it should be taking if you're trading right. Just take your time, bro. Just take your time and don't rush it. Don't try to, you know, go through it quick. Try to get it all in one day, because I guarantee you, a lot of times that's not how it will work, and it will fuck you up. So, next thing, risk management is key. I'm telling you, bro. Risk management will make you or break you as a trader, and the decision is yours. If you don't have good risk management, it will definitely show in them challenges when you have to keep rebuying it over and over and over again. I've been there, done that. I've been there years, so I'm not even gonna sit up here and act like I haven't been here. Been there, when I know for a fact I've been there, and I've been getting cooked. You know what I'm saying? I've been getting cooked until I was able to, you know, understand the value. Not the value, but the principle and the risk management, how much it could change as a trader. So boom. Yeah, man, just learn risk management. It's so key. You always want to know how much you're risking, how much you are willing to lose, or how much you could possibly be losing. Because if you know what I'm saying, you don't want it to surprise you, and then you be like, oh shit, I blew the challenge, or oh shit, you know, I did this, or oh shit, I did that. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that to happen. That's not a good feeling. Because it could cause more stress, either blow your account, you know, just all that type of stuff. You just don't want to go through that at all. It's not worth it. It's not worth the stress. Like I said, I'm still trying to find out. Like, I'm really just talking. I'm just yapping, like I said. I like, bro. The point of this video isn't to just focus on the gameplay. I'm really just trying to get my point in on the game too much. So yeah, I'm just chilling. Another thing is know how much, like I said, know how much you are able to lose while looking at the max drawdown, you know, the max loss, the max equity, you know, just learn all of that. It should tell you that in your dashboard, because, you know, hopping in a trade and then taking like 2 losses, even though you were following your plan, if you don't know that you were only able to lose 300, even though you were following your rules, that's still a big problem. You know what I'm saying? You should always be aware of your account, your account information, your account analytics, all of that, because, you know what I'm saying, it's always good to know where you stand at in your account and how much you can lose and how much you can't lose. You feel me? So that's some advice I really, you know, I could give. You feel me? That's something you know what I'm saying, I feel like a lot of people, you know, should know. And some people, you know, don't really pay attention to it, you know, just, hey, but I pay attention to that shit. I check it every single day. It's just preference. So another thing is you can take multiple losses in a row and have one winning trade that will make back everything and more with the right setup, as long as you aren't over risking and being patient. I'm telling you, bro, like I've went into a losing streak while I was trading, and bro, like, yeah, I was discouraged, but you know, so I was just being patient, not over risking, and I waited for that one good setup, and boom, I made it all back, all because I didn't over risk. I managed my risk. I was being patient, wasn't forcing setups, and I took advantage of that winning setup, and boom, I think I'm the last one alive. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna die, I'm not gonna lie. I'll start up another game, but yeah, so like I just said, man, just be patient, you know, just understand that you can make it all back, you know, as long as you do everything you're supposed to, and, you know, just do everything right, because I promise you, because every trader goes through losses, you know what I'm saying, every trader goes through losing streaks, winning streaks, but during them losing streaks, you have to know how to manage risk. So, you know what I'm saying, once it happens, and then boom, you know, you won't like, okay, I'm in a losing streak, now I lost my account, because you never know when it's gonna happen, bro. All you can do is just, you have to know how to handle it when it happens. Once you set a stop loss, oh shit. Once you set your stop loss, make sure it's a reasonable stop loss and it actually makes sense. And, you know, once it's set, if it gets hit, let it get hit and don't move it further, you know, hoping that it will go back to break even or go back in profit. This is something that I definitely have struggled with in the past, you know, because no one honestly wants to lose a trade. Nobody wants to lose a trade at all. I hate losing trades, but hey, it's a part of the game, so I don't really let it bother me anymore. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Just understand that you can make it back. You feel me? Just take your loss, get off the charts, and just, hey, I'll make it back, you know. You just have a positive mindset about it. But once it hits your stop loss, or I know a lot of people, I personally have a mental stop loss. I don't really set stop losses. And that could be a good or bad thing depending on the type of person you are and how long you've been trading. So yeah, man, just know, you just have to know yourself as a trader and know if you are able to handle a mental stop loss, or you have to have it set for you. And if you have a mental stop loss, you have to be strong enough mentally to tell yourself, hey, look, once it hits this, I need to get out and not move it, not be like, okay, hold on, let me just see if it can go back up, and just, you know, continue to hope and pray and just be like, oh, if it goes back up to break even, I'll close it. Because, bro, that's not healthy. Let's just be honest, it's not healthy. And it is just bad discipline. It's just overall just it's not good. It's just terrible. What the fuck is this? I really don't know what the fuck, bro. You're shooting? Okay, yeah, I'm not playing this shit. Okay, so yeah, another thing is no revenge trading, bro. Revenge trading is such a killer in prop firms. It's such a killer in live accounts. It's such a killer in just trading as general. It's hard as hell to manage. Honestly, I feel like it's one of the hardest things to do, or to manage. I mean, not to manage, to master when you're trading, because it's really hard once you lost money to not want to go get it back. You know what I'm saying? It's just a natural thing for humans. Like if we lose something and we like really like it, or we take pride in having it, or we want something really bad, we're gonna naturally just want it back. And no revenge trading is just a huge part in trying to pass a prop firm account, or even trading a live account, or it just trading in general. You have to know when you just need to be like, oh look, I need to hop off the charts. You feel me? So what you could do to try to help you pass that prop firm account is simply just set rules on how many setups you can take, or how much money you're willing to lose in a day, and just knowing when to get off the charts. Like, know your signs when you need to get off the charts. Like, if you're starting to feel like you've been in this same trade multiple times and you just keep getting wicked out or stopped out, you need to get off the charts. And just me personally, I take 2 trades a day, and if those 2 trades lose, boom, I'm off the charts. I know I can trade tomorrow, and it's a good feeling, like, especially when you come from like blowing your account multiple times, and you just like, you lost your account a lot to mastered over trading. Revenge trading. I promise you, it'll feel so good, bro. I promise you. And you'll just be able to look back and be like, oh, okay, hey, look, I'll live to trade another day. Especially when you have a good strategy, good risk management, good psychology, and you're able to just walk away with a like a small loss and not a huge loss, from over trading, or revenge trading, or over risking, stuff like that. It's a good feeling. Another thing is, don't rush trades, or another thing is rushing trades or having proper confluences will make you get stopped out quicker and make you feel like you have to get into another trade simply because you realize that trade is not valid after you lost. And basically just like getting off the charts. And then one thing you can do to fix that is just simply just get off the charts and analyze your mistakes and reflect on how you would do it better and where you were wrong. So basically, to sum it up, just give you an example. Let's say you hop on the charts. You look at GU, you mark it up real quick, and you don't have the proper confluences or proper things you want to see in the trade, and you just hop in. Hop in, stop loss is real tight, boom, you get wicked out. And during that trade you were over leveraging, so now you lost a decent amount, and now you're like, oh, I should have never took that trade. Now you want to take another trade just to make that back, and you're forcing yourself, you're forcing the C setups and just stuff like that. You're rushing the trade, you're not letting the trade play out, you're not letting the trade get to your zone, you're not letting the trade you're not letting the full candle print, or just however you want to trade. Just let your confluences hit. Timing is everything. You make sure you want to see everything you want to see before you hop in the trade. Don't try to hop in the trade and be like, okay, I hope it does this so I know it's a good trade. You want to see the things that you want to see and be like, okay, this is a good trade. Even though it may not play out, you can always take that loss and be like, okay, I did everything I was supposed to do. I was patient, boom, it was a good trade. Another thing is, if you aren't feeling it mentally, do not trade. If you are feeling sad, if you are feeling angry, if you're feeling just, you're not level-headed, you're not in a professional mindset, you don't need to be trading. Because now, I ain't gonna lie, it do be certain days where I'm tired, I got life problems going on, and I will trade. And the only reason I will trade is because I know how to set aside my emotions, and just put my emotions to the side. And whenever it comes to trading, put my emotions to the side and focus strictly on the charts. But if you're not able to do that yet, it's fine. Just take your time. Know you. So only you know you. So if you're not able to do that quite yet, don't try to, just don't try to force your way up on the charts. Just let it happen over time. And there's nothing wrong with just not taking a trade just because you simply don't feel right in the head. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, would you rather just be able to just miss out on money or lose money? Honestly, me, if I'm not feeling it, I'd rather just miss out on money than just lose money, because at the same time, you never know, you might hop in that trade, you feeling mad, you feeling angry, and now that loss is gonna make everything worse. Whether it's you leading you over trading, whether it's just leading you to make, you know, worse decisions in life, you know what I'm saying, all that type of shit. So, you know, just know you, and if you aren't feeling it mentally and you don't know how to put your emotions to the side, just be real with yourself and be like, okay, look, I shouldn't be trading today. And last but not least is, like I said earlier, is pay attention to the prop firm rules, because I promise you, those rules can definitely fucking get you. You don't want to be able to trading perfect. I'm talking about you're about to get your funded account. You've been trading real good. You've been on a nice win streak. You're following all your rules, not over risking, not over leveraging. You're doing what you're supposed to be doing. You're following trading plan to 100%. You know what I'm saying? You're doing every single thing right, but you didn't read the rules of the account, the prop firm, not knowing that you can't go in this much drawdown, or you know, you can't make over this much in a day in this certain stage of the account. Because I promise, I haven't been through that personally, thank God, because I definitely do take pride in like actually reading all the rules and like drill them into my head. Because that I know it feels terrible knowing that you did everything right, but you just didn't play along with the rules, and now you have to get that account taken away and you have to start all over again. And you know, that can definitely be really irritating to the mind, and just trading in general. So like I said, man, these are just certain things I try to, you know, I feel like I could help you, not help y'all with, but just like, you know, certain things I feel like I can tell the traders that are either in prop firm challenges or getting ready to take prop firm challenges, and you know, it could possibly help them. Like I said, I'm not really focusing on the game in the background. I just wanted something that, you know, maybe somebody wanted to watch and just, you know, just wanted to listen to what I gotta say, or maybe you just want to set your phone down and you maybe don't even want to watch this. So it's cool as long as you get the knowledge, and you know, you understand this. And hopefully I was able to help you. You feel me? That's really it. So this video is already long as is, so I'm just gonna end this right here, and I'm gonna leave this game. I'm not gonna cap. So hey man, y'all have a good rest of y'all day, night, morning, wherever y'all at. I'll see y'all in the next video.